Hey everybody, my name is Ari and welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate. So guys, you grab a cup, fill it with hot water about, I'm going to show you guys. Fill it with water about that high. Get your spoon, stir it up. And put as much hot chocolate as you want, but don't use the whole thing because that would be a little bit overboard with your hot chocolate. Unless it's not this big. Unless it's tiny, then like really, really tiny. Like this tiny. Like about that tiny. So guys, I'm very sorry that I didn't show you guys or I didn't work through it with you guys. But I was doing that and then it just turned off, so yeah. Then you try it. And if it's not what you want, put more. I found it that it was better to put it in the microwave before because when I did it, when I didn't put it in the microwave and it wasn't hot, it was really, 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 really chunky inside. And I tried doing everything, so just stir it up. Oh, also, this is made without those hot heat things. I think they're called kettles. I don't know, guys. But that's what they're made out of. Then you try it again. It's good, guys. That's pretty good. It is good. So, guys, now you guys know how to make hot chocolate without a kettle. So, you need the hot chocolate, 2 spoons, but if you want, you can get just 1 spoon. 2 spoons, 1 cup coffee, or hot coffee and hot chocolate cup. And you guys can you guys can do whatever you want with it. You can put milk in it. You can do anything with it. Whatever you guys want. So guys, bye. I'll see you again.